Hey everybody, welcome to my live. Roxanne is rocking. That's Rockin. Yes, how's everybody doing on this wonderful day today? Well, what I did today, I made a green juice. Let me show you with my cold press machine. Here's the results right here. And today I put some ginger, one green apple, parsley, and cilantro. I also used a lemon and a cucumber and some spinach. I didn't put no celery in today, but that's the results. It was a little bit more than this, but I drank a little bit. So this right here is my vegetables for the day. And then I also did a whole chicken in the air fryer. See, this is my air fryer. So what I did with this whole chicken that I got from Aldi's, I put it on pressure cook for 15 minutes. And after pressure cook, I sprayed a little Pam spray on top and I put it on air fry for another 15 minutes. And that's the results. And it's crispy. Let's have a taste, shall we? Let me see. Ooh, this is so good. Oh, wait a minute, guys. Ooh, look, falling off the bone, honey. Oh my gosh. Delicious. This is delicious. I seasoned the chicken yesterday, cleaned it and seasoned it yesterday. So you know that seasoning is marinated in there. Look at that. Ooh. This is so good. Yummy, yummy for my tummy. Wow. Let's see. My hair is not done. But it's okay. But I want you guys to see. Look at that. Look at that. So good. I did a lot of cleaning up today. I swept, I mopped, changed sheets, cleaned the bathroom. I did so much today. That's why my hair look like this. Look at this one. That's the neck. Ooh, so good. You see that? It's so soft. You can actually chew the bones, but I don't. But it's so soft. Excuse my hands, y'all. Oh, I'm sorry. Uh-oh, sorry about that. Okay, there it goes. Guys, when I say this neck is so good, it is what it is. Okay? It is what it is. I have to get these bones out. So excuse me. So soft. Anyway, guys, listen. Have a wonderful, wonderful day today. Be safe. Stay warm. Stay cool. Look, you see my eyes, guys? See that shiny thing? Let me tell you what happened real quick. So I went inside a pool, someone's pool, and they had saltwater pool. And I think the bacteria from the pool water got in my eye because one of the persons had the same thing, the same eye. I was like, wow. So I went to the urgent care after having it for 6 days. And they gave me some antibiotics. And this is the antibiotics right here. But it's getting better because this sucker was swollen so big, you would not have believed it. Yeah. Anyway, guys, have a wonderful day today. Ciao for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share on my YouTube channel, Roxanne is Rockin'. That's Rockin. Roxanne is Rockin'. Hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment. Any suggestions, any concerns, whatever. You know, have a good one, guys. Listen, take care of yourself. If you can't do something nice for yourself, you can do something nice for somebody else, right? All right.